Right, it's Sunday afternoon. I'm in the workshop as per usual, leading up to the stalking show. Still trying to get stuff sorted. I did see a post somewhere that it's going to be just 7 weeks, so time's ticking by. I don't know if I seem to be going anywhere, but I've got lots of bits part done, which is sort of like, yeah, basically I need to get stuff sorted. So things that I've got sorted are blades are ground. These ones are ready for hand sanding. All these ones here, those I've still got to put bevels on, but I've got some few here that I've got, they're ready for hand sanding as well. These ones are all heat treated. Those are my backup, so they're going to be sort of like, once all these ones are sorted, I'll be starting on them. So I've got those done. So that's blades. Oh no, I've got a few more blades. Let me just spin the camera around. So these blades here, these ones are all acid etched and stone washed. I've given them a coating of just like a WD sort of mixture, just to keep them from, so they make sure they don't get marked up. Those ones are going to have G10 handles. I can show you some actually in a minute. These ones are going to be painted, so I'm going to do a selection. They're all going to have the same handle material on them. Rosewood and walnut, brass fittings, and then they're going to have black blades on them. So those are going to look very similar to the, I'll get there in a minute, the blazer knife that I made. There's a video on that somewhere. I was sorting out some muntjac earlier on, that's why my scales are there. Some blades here. Those ones are ready for handling up. That one is Marley Burl with some blaze orange resin. That one's an order, which is the yellow turbo glow, some black liners. That's one of the acid etch ones. This is a falla catcher. That's Damascus G10 green, olive green and black. And another one that's a glow in the dark. I did put a little snippet up of a glow in the dark one earlier. Not earlier, but on another post. This is the bench that's got all the just stuff on that's almost there again. So what we got? So I'll spin the camera around again. Obviously, wallets there, all finished off. So I've got a selection of row catchers and falla catchers and row catchers. Stop them sticking together. Those ones, the sheaths are for them here. I've had them sort of like in the warming cupboard, so I always take them out because you never know if there's a bit of moisture in there or whatever. So that's them sorted, so I can put those to one side. I've got, these are the ones that are all G10. So basically I'm doing sort of like a batch that's all very similar. So we've got the, these are all row catchers at the minute. That's what it looks like. That one I was on about earlier with the falla catcher. So I've sculpted them all. So they've all got a sculpted handle. Kydex sheaths. That one's the orange liners. Olive green with sort of like the black in there. They call it sort of like a G10 Damascus. Straight orange one, and then the same one sort of like similar to the green one, but in orange. Same orange liners. Orange Damascus G10. Kydex sheath for them, and I've got loads of handle material that's all glued up at the moment. Still got some more to come because I've got to get my wooden handles and what have you sorted, but they'll be done very close to getting the blades done. And I'm on bullet pouches, so I've got all these ones are basically, the fronts are all completed. I've just dyed the inside of them, and they've got the magnets added to them. So that's that bit's ready for gluing onto the main part of the pouch. I've still got to put my belt loops, what am I on about? The elasticated loops onto sort of like the middle piece. And then I've got a bag up here that's got all the back pieces in, and those are the belt loops. So basically I'm on with those today. So that's the closest update I've got at the minute. Like I say, I've got loads of blades that are sort of like half done. I've got some handle material turning up soon, fingers crossed, and then it'll be a case of just smashing all those ones through. Bullet pouches. So this will be the second lot of bullet pouches. I've actually got a box somewhere with some more in, and I can't remember where I put them. Where did I put them? So these ones. So That's what I call my Mark II design, with the earth magnets in it. And that particular pouch has got those black inserts. I think it's Norma RWS sort of inserts that fit into them. So that's that all sorted. These are, like I say, these ones are going to have the sort of like elasticated loops on it to hold them in place. So that's a quick update for this week. Like I say, something like 7 weeks to go. So, well, hopefully I'm going to have everything sorted by the end of March. Fingers crossed. But if you're going to the Stalking show, make sure you come pop round and say hello. And other than that, guys, thank you very much, and we'll see you later.